Hey everyone, Andover Adam here. We've got a brand new laundry basket quilts collection, Bluebird, coming in July 2021. Let's take our first look together. When it comes to elegant, beautiful, blue and cream fabric collections, you can always count on laundry basket quilts, and this year's Bluebird collection is no exception. Edita is a master of piecing together small, medium, and large-scale prints, as well as ombreing between the dark blues that you see on the left, the creams in the middle, and those beautiful light teals on the right. And as you've come to expect from Andover fabrics and laundry basket quilts, there's really fine attention to detail here. Just look at this background texture on the main print behind the leaves that gives the pattern and your quilts that little extra something that makes it really special. With Bluebird, we're trying some new things that we've never done before. Sometimes you want to just be able to take fabric, sew it down in your own way, and be on your merry way. Finally, we've got a whole bunch of patterns and options for you where you can do just that. We have the North Star pattern, which comes in two colorways, cream and blue. Pictured here, you're seeing a 24 by 44 inch repeat, and you've got a border running along one selvage, but not the other. If you're looking for another convenience cloth option, check out this Grandmother's Garden, featuring these beautiful hexes. And again, this is running yardage. You can see this is a 24 by 44 inch repeat that we're showing you here. It's great for just sewing down when you just want to cut some fabric and do just that. Bluebird also includes two great panels, the first of which being this 18 by 44 inch labels panel. The labels feature classic laundry basket quilt motifs. You can see these beautiful branches, but it also has some really nice things to say. It says made with love on this one, and I don't know about you, but that warms my heart. Finally, we've got this brilliant 24 by 44 inch panel called Homestead. This one panel allows you to do so much, from putting borders on your quilt to putting personalization on your quilt. You can really make it yours with this one piece of fabric, and it's so versatile. So that's Bluebird coming in July. If you want to know more, visit andoverfabrics.com, or you can actually download the catalog that I've been flipping through down in the description of this video below. But if you're like me, waiting is just like, it's okay, but I'd rather not. So if you want fabric right now, we've got full collections from Laundry Basket Quilts available, including these Baker's Dozen Batiks. We only have a very limited supply of these left, so if you do want to use these with the upcoming Bluebird collection, or really any other fabric collection, make sure you get these now, and you can supplement them with Edita's Choice Century Solids, which you can see on the right. We also have the entire Super Bloom collection from Laundry Basket Quilts available right now, and I know that that's not going to last. So if that's something that you guys want, make sure that you get on it. If you're looking for beautiful blenders, we've got you covered. We've got Olive Branch from Laundry Basket Quilts. These go great with her Laundry Basket favorite linen textures. And finally, don't forget, Edita's picked her signature colors of Century Solids. All of them are in stock right now, and you're definitely going to want to check out the Alaska Rainbow Quilt, which you can see here on the right. Thank you so much again for watching. We'll be back soon with the quilt patterns that go along with the Bluebird collection and a whole lot more. Until next time, be safe, be well, and take care.